Join me. Let's do a sweet, gentle flow together. I'm Nora Day. Let's come to the front of our mats. Taking my feet as wide as the mat. My feet are pretty wide. Open up your arms, get some air in that body. Reach your arms up, look up. Take a full inhale. Exhale, open the arms. Hold on to the backs of your hamstrings, backs of your knees. Drop your head. Come on back up. Fold forward again, backs of your knees. Reach the arms forward this time. Arch a little bit back. Roll forward, hands back to your knees. This time take your hands to the mat. Step both feet back. My feet are still as wide as the mat. Come down to your knees, lower down. As you flip your feet, keep your hands solid on the mat. Elbows point back. Press down to come up. Open the throat. Roll it down. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, go to yoginora.com.